Hi guys, I'm Rasmus. I'm here in Slikhaar studio with Renee and Mads. Today we are inspired by the Ralph Lauren look. It's classy and it's a party. Are you up for it?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, Mads, today we are inspired by classic style. So we will actually keep the most of the length here. We will of course take a little overall and then we will like trim around the ears and then we will make a lot of nice texture. Are you up for it?
Yeah.
Cool. So, Mads, are you doing anything special this weekend?
Yeah, I'm going to play some golf and to a 60 years old birthday.
Oh, nice! Congratulations! Is it from your family or
No.
your girlfriend's?
Yeah, no problem.
Nice. So where are you playing golf?
In other?
I've been driving through it, but I've never played.
Yeah, I'm brand new.
Okay, so you're also learning.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Sidekick, heat protector, 24 hours hold, and volume. Platinum with natural shine and strong hold. Okay, Mads, how do you like your new haircut?
I'm very happy with my new hair.
Yeah, cool. And guys, if you like it, you can write down in the comment section, down below. Right down below.
Right in the comment section.
Right in the comment section.
Yep.
Oh.
And subscribe.
Subscribe and like the video. Thank you, guys.